Hello, dear children. How are you today? I am your English teacher Макпал Шекербаева. Okay, let's start our lesson. Today have a new lesson around school. Сәлеметсіздер ме балалар? Бүгінгі сабағымыздың тақырыбы мектеп айналасында. Алдымен видеомызды қарап алайық.
Look and listen.
Teacher. Classroom. Pencil case. Desk. Sharpener.
Statue. House. School. Fountain. Street. Park.
Okay, let's continue. Open the page number 34, exercise number 6. Let's sing 1, 2, 3 song.
Let's sing.
One, 2, 3, 4. Time to go to school once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get your school bag, don't be late. 9, 10. Get your pen. Come with me, it's school again.
Бүгінгі жаңа сөздер new words. Repeat after me. Teacher мұғалім, classroom сынып, pencil case пенал, desk парта, sharpener ұштағыш, statue статуя, house үй, school мектеп, fountain субұрқақ, street көше, park саябақ. Now please copy it in your vocabulary.
Very good, children. Now please open the page number 35, exercise number 7. Listen and read. Қазір 35-ші беттегі 7-ші жаттығуды ашамыз. Тыңдаймыз, содан кейін оқимыз.
Let's watch.
Hello, I'm Daisy. What's your name?
My name's Lily. This is my pet, Charlie.
What's this?
It's an elephant.
No, Lily, it's a school bag.
Now please answer to my question. Ал қазір сұраққа жауап береміз. How many pencils? Қанша қалам бар? Right, you are. There are 4 pens. How many school bags? Yes, there are 8 school bags. How many sharpener? Right, you are. There are 1 sharpener. Now our lesson is over. Goodbye. Your home task is reading. Үйге оқу.